An operational digital twin is a computer replication of your said structure, whatever that structure might look like, that is used for your day-to-day operations, that can be used for training, asset tagging, financial understanding, simulation, maintenance, down to a single light bulb, and understand that this light bulb might need to be changed because the life of it's at its 10,000 hours. It depends upon what you want to achieve. Most of that will be driven by what type of industry you're in. If you're in automotive, or if you're in power or energy or retail, you're going to have unique nuances to your business. But the technology is there, and that's where the future is going. By creating the digital twin of the building information model, we can plan, we can simulate, we can design. The value in this technology is truly sensational. There should never be another structure ever built without the use of a digital twin.